If you want to find a particular valve, connect the red lead of the transmitter to the station wire leading to that valve, and the black to the ground. Connect the Pro800D and begin. When you reach the point where a valve or solenoid is located, the signal will expand to an approximate 2 to 4 foot area of signal. This is your indication that you are over a valve or solenoid. Reducing the volume on the wand while over the valve will help to pinpoint the valve location more accurately.